Hello and welcome to Governance Now TV. Today we are going to conduct a reality check on the state of security in Delhi. As everyone knows that the city is getting ready for the Commonwealth Games scheduled in October, and the administration is busy getting the look of just about everything right before the big event. But it seems the adequate attention is still not being paid to the basics. Bus terminal at Kashmiri Gate, just a stone's throw away from the metro station. You need to pass through this strategically placed metal detector to enter or exit the premises. But the other day, as I entered the terminal, I found something amiss. I found that the lady constable stationed there did not bother to check any of the passenger passing through the metal detector. The situation seemed quite a contrast to the security protocol of the nearby metro station, where every entrance is frisked and the luggage is passed through an X-ray machine. I had an appointment at the first floor of the terminal, so did not have the time to look into the labs. But when I returned after an hour, I found that the lady constable was no longer alone in handling the rush of passengers with heavy bags. But look, the only hitch was that the male security guard did not appear up to the job either. In fact, he appeared blissfully unaware of anything at all. He was positively sleeping on the job. As I started clicking my cell phone camera, the indifferent lady constable decided to respond to the situation. She immediately went inside, apparently to call someone, even as the guard continued to sleep. While I was shooting a video of the sleeping guard, a male constable emerged from the building and tried to wake up the guard. The guard took his own sweet time to rouse himself out of his peaceful slumber. Meanwhile, the constable